Have you ever wondered if your household is truly prepared for emergencies? In today's uncertain times, having the right emergency and survival supplies on hand is not just prudent, but essential. Today, we will show you 30 essential emergency and survival supplies that every household should have. Number 30. First Aid Kit. A first aid kit is a very important part of being ready for emergencies. It should have basic medical items that can help you treat minor injuries or problems quickly. For example, you should have things like bandages to cover cuts, antiseptic wipes to clean wounds, pain relievers to help with pain, and sterile gauze to cover more serious injuries. A first aid manual is also important because it gives you step-by-step instructions on what to do in different situations. You should also make sure to regularly check your kit to see if anything is missing, expired, or needs to be replaced. Number 29. Survival Manual or Guide. Having a survival manual can provide you with valuable advice on what to do during different types of emergencies, like how to build a fire, find clean water, or treat injuries. Even if you have the best tools, knowing how to use them correctly can make a huge difference when an emergency arises. It's best to keep a physical copy of the manual, since electronic versions may not be available if you lose power or cannot access devices. Number 28. Emergency Food Supply. In an emergency situation, having enough food that won't go bad is very important for survival. It's a good idea to store food that doesn't spoil easily, like freeze-dried meals, canned foods, and high-energy snacks such as protein bars in your emergency kit. These types of food can be safely stored for a long time, with some companies offering emergency food supplies that can last up to 25 years without needing to be kept in a fridge or freezer. This makes them really useful for situations where electricity or refrigeration might not be available for long periods of time. When you are preparing your food supply, it's important to think about how many calories each person will need to stay healthy and energized. Make sure there's enough food for each person to get the right amount of calories every day. Number 27. Water Purification System. Having a water purification system is very important. It helps make the water safe to drink by removing those harmful substances. There are different ways to purify water. For example, you could use a portable water filter, such as a life straw, which is small and easy to carry around. Another option is using water purification tablets. These tablets are lightweight, easy to store, and can be used to clean water quickly when you need it. Number 26. Portable Power Bank. Power outages can make it hard to communicate or get important information because your phone or other devices might run out of battery. A portable power bank can help by keeping your phone, tablet, or other small electronics charged. This way, you can still use your devices when the power is out. Some power banks also come with solar charging options. These are especially handy because you can recharge the power bank using sunlight if the outage lasts for a long time. Number 25. Solar-powered charger. When the main electricity supply, known as the power grid, stops working, a solar-powered charger can be a great way to keep your important devices, like phones and tablets, running. These chargers work by using sunlight to create energy, which means you can still use your devices even if there is no electricity available. Solar chargers take energy from the sun, so as long as there is enough sunlight, they will be able to generate power to keep your devices charged. This can be really useful in emergency situations when the electricity goes out unexpectedly. However, it is important to test your solar charger before you actually need it in an emergency. Number 24. Emergency radio. During a major disaster, staying updated with accurate information is extremely important. This is where an emergency radio, powered by a hand crank or solar energy, comes in handy. It can keep you informed with real-time updates from local authorities and weather services, even when other communication systems fail. Some radios also offer extra features like built-in flashlights, USB charging ports, and SOS alarms, making them even more useful in emergencies. When choosing an emergency radio, it's best to go for one that has NOAA weather alerts, as these radios are specifically made to keep you informed during emergencies. Number 23. Fire extinguisher. In situations where natural disasters occur, such as power surges or damaged gas lines, there is always a risk of fire. Having a fire extinguisher at home becomes essential to stop small fires from turning into big ones. It's important to get a multi-purpose fire extinguisher, classified as Class ABC, which can handle different types of fires, such as electrical, grease, and wood fires. Make sure every member of your family knows how to operate it, and don't forget to regularly check that it's not expired and remains fully charged, ready for use. Number 22. LED flashlight. Another crucial item for your emergency kit is a reliable LED flashlight. It becomes extremely useful during power outages, helping you move around safely in the dark or signal for help. Flashlights that run on batteries are ideal for such situations, but it's also smart to store extra batteries with the flashlight to avoid running out of power. For more convenience, consider getting a rechargeable flashlight that can be powered through solar chargers or hand crank radios, so you always have light when you need it. Number 21. MultiTool. A multi-tool is another must-have item for any emergency kit. This compact and handy device combines various tools like a knife, screwdriver, pliers, and a can opener, allowing you to handle a wide range of tasks, from opening canned food to fixing things around the house. To make sure it serves you well during an emergency, choose a high-quality and durable multi-tool. It's also a good idea to practice using each function, so you're familiar with it when an emergency arises. Number 20. Emergency blanket, a Mylar blanket. An emergency blanket, also known as a Mylar blanket, is a great addition to any survival kit, especially for cold conditions. These lightweight, compact blankets are designed to reflect body heat, helping prevent hypothermia and freezing temperatures. Apart from keeping you warm, they can also be used as ground covers or even as makeshift shelters. It's wise to keep several emergency blankets in your kit, especially if you have a large family or live in a place with a cold climate. Number 19. Duct tape. Duct tape is one of the most versatile tools you can have in an emergency. Its uses are almost endless, from sealing windows and doors to keeping out water, patching up leaks, repairing broken tools, or even making a splint during a medical emergency. Having a full roll of duct tape in your kit can be a game changer for larger projects, but it's also helpful to keep a smaller, portable roll for quick fixes on the go. Number 18. Whistle. A whistle is a simple but highly effective tool that shouldn't be overlooked in an emergency kit. It's an affordable way to signal for help, alert rescuers to your location, or communicate with family members across long distances. Unlike yelling, a whistle won't drain your energy, and it doesn't rely on batteries. Choose a whistle that comes with a lanyard so you can wear it around your neck during emergencies, ensuring it's always within reach. Number 17. Portable generator. For prolonged power outages, a portable generator can be a lifesaver. It can keep essential appliances like refrigerators, medical devices, and lights running, ensuring your safety and comfort until the power comes back. Some portable generators run on gas, while others are battery-operated and can be recharged using solar panels. If you opt for a gas-powered generator, make sure to store extra fuel and keep the generator in a well-ventilated area to avoid the danger of carbon monoxide buildup. Number 16. N95 respirator masks. N95 respirator masks are vital in protecting you and your family from harmful airborne particles, such as dust, smoke, or debris, especially during wildfires, chemical spills, or pandemic situations. These masks are designed to filter out 95% of airborne particulates, ensuring that you can breathe clean air even in hazardous environments. It's a good idea to stock up on N95 masks for each family member, keeping in mind that they are single-use items. Number 15. Heavy-duty work gloves. Heavy-duty work gloves are essential in the aftermath of a disaster, particularly when you need to clear debris, handle sharp objects, or perform repairs. These gloves are designed to protect your hands from injury while giving you a strong grip, which is important when using tools or moving heavy objects. Make sure to choose gloves that are both puncture resistant and flexible enough to give you the dexterity you need while working. Number 14. Tarp or emergency shelter. If your house becomes unsafe to live in, a tarp or emergency tent can give you a temporary place to stay that protects you from the weather. You can also use tarps to cover areas like damaged roofs, broken windows, or vehicles, keeping them safe from rain and wind. When you choose a tarp, look for one made from strong waterproof material, and make sure to keep some ropes or bungee cords nearby so you can secure the tarp properly when you need to use it. Number 13. Emergency car kit. Having a car emergency kit is really important if you ever find yourself stuck on the side of the road. These kits usually have essential items like jumper cables to help start your car, tire inflators to fix flat tires, reflective warning triangles to alert other drivers, and a basic set of tools for minor repairs. It's a good idea to keep one of these kits in your trunk all the time, since car problems can happen unexpectedly. Number 12. Emergency sleeping bag. An emergency sleeping bag, also known as a bivvy, is a lightweight and insulated bag that helps keep your body warm in cold conditions. This is especially useful if you unexpectedly need to spend the night outdoors, or if you have to move to a shelter during an emergency. When choosing a sleeping bag, look for one that is both waterproof and windproof, so you can stay as safe and as warm as possible, even when the weather is bad. Number 11. Gas shutoff tool. If there is an earthquake or a gas leak, it is very important to turn off your home's gas supply to avoid fires or explosions. A gas shutoff tool is a handy device that allows you to quickly close the valve on your gas meter. It's a good idea to learn where your gas shutoff valve is and how to use this tool before an emergency happens, so you are prepared to act fast when needed. Number 10. Water storage containers. Having access to clean water is essential during any emergency situation. Using 5-gallon water storage containers is a good way to keep enough drinking water for everyone in your family, which means you should have about 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days. Make sure to use containers made of food-grade plastic with tight sealing lids to prevent any contamination. Number 9. Candles and matches. When there is no electricity, candles can provide light and some warmth. To ensure you can light the candles, waterproof matches are very helpful, as they can ignite a candle or start a fire even in wet conditions. However, be cautious when using candles, because they can cause fires if not handled safely. Number 8. Headlamp. A headlamp is a great tool because it provides hands-free lighting, which is really useful for doing tasks that require both hands, like cooking, setting up shelter, or fixing equipment during an emergency. When selecting a headlamp, choose one that has adjustable brightness settings and a long battery life, so you can use it effectively whenever needed. Number 7. Emergency escape ladder. For homes with multiple floors, having an emergency escape ladder is important for a quick and safe exit from upper levels in case of a fire. Make sure to keep the ladder in an easy-to-reach area, such as under a window, so you can use it quickly in an emergency. Check that the ladder is long enough to reach the ground from your highest floor, and practice using it with your family so everyone knows what to do. Number 6. Fire starters. Fire starters, such as magnesium blocks or stormproof matches, are very useful for lighting a fire to stay warm, cook food, or signal for help, even when the weather is harsh. They are reliable alternatives to regular lighters, which may not work well in wet or windy conditions. It's a good idea to keep your fire starter in a waterproof container and to practice using it beforehand to ensure you know how to operate it when the time comes. Number 5. Rope or paracord. Paracord is a strong and lightweight type of rope that is very useful in survival situations. You can use it to secure shelters, tie down items, or make makeshift slings or harnesses. Some people even wear paracord bracelets that hold several feet of cord for convenience. When choosing a paracord, look for one that can support at least 550 pounds to ensure it is durable enough for your needs. Number 4. Medical Trauma Kit. If someone suffers a serious injury, a medical trauma kit is much more advanced than a regular first aid kit. It includes important items like tourniquets, chest seals, and clotting agents that can help treat life-threatening injuries or severe bleeding. This kit is especially important if you are far away from professional medical help. Consider seeking first aid or wilderness medical training so you know how to properly use the items in your trauma kit when emergencies occur. Number 3. Satellite communicator and digital compass. A satellite communicator allows you to send messages, share GPS locations, and, most importantly, trigger an SOS alert to emergency services no matter where you are in the world. Unlike regular communication devices that need local networks, satellite communicators use satellites to ensure that you can get in touch reliably. Number 2. Folding shovel. A folding shovel is a compact tool that you can use for various tasks like digging fire pits, clearing debris, or even as a weapon for self-defense. Its small size makes it easy to include in a car or home emergency kit without taking up much space. When selecting a folding shovel, look for one that is sturdy and made of stainless steel, and that has multiple functions, such as a serrated edge for cutting. And the final essential, number 1, 72-hour emergency survival kit. A 72-hour kit is something you can put together to help you and your family survive for at least 3 days in case of an emergency. This is important because during a disaster, it might take up to 3 days for help or emergency services to reach you. The kit should have all the basic things you would need to stay safe and comfortable for those 3 days. Usually, these kits include food that won't spoil, enough water for drinking, a flashlight to see in the dark, a radio to get news and updates, emergency blankets to stay warm, and some basic tools to help with small tasks or repairs. You can buy a kit that's already put together, or if you want, you can create your own kit, making sure to include things that are specifically needed by your family. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. What items do you think are most important for your home? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Stay safe and prepared.